Okay guys, I forgot to say this doon sa unahan ng video. Alam niyo ba yung kasabihan na when you make a mess, kalat mo, linis mo, right? Apply din yun sa trabaho, sa bahay, to make the place tidy and organized. Kasi hindi lang naman ikaw ang gumagamit. So, maraming gumagamit na bagay. So, paano mami-maintain ang lugar o ang like, paano siya mami-maintain kung na malinis at organized. So, yung unang tip ko nga is, katulad sa office, pag yung printer is nawala ng papel at ikaw yung huling nag-print, ikaw yung magpi-build up ng papel. Same thing with the shredder. At pagka napuno yung shredder at ikaw yung huling gumamit, ikaw yung magpapalit nung bag ng shredder. And also the same thing when you use the kitchen or the washroom pagka nawalan ng paper towel. So you have to do it. You don't have to wait for someone na susunod sa'yo na papalit. Right? Same thing you do at home. So kung kalat mo, linisin mo. Kalat mo sa kitchen, ikaw yung huling kumain, linisin mo yung plato. Kung ikaw yung nagluto, linisin mo yung lahat ng ginamit mo sa kusina. Right? So, you don't have to ask somebody to do it for you. So, that's all. Probably you guys know about this already, but I'm just like thinking and sharing it again. Okay, thank you guys. Bye-bye.